I'd like to introduce you to a Parachute Puzzles Lost Marble Puzzle. It's a 1,000-piece puzzle. This one is pretty challenging. It's lots of fun. It's got lots of vibrant colors. You can see every puzzle comes in a nice box. It's easy to store the puzzle. Each puzzle comes with a nice big glossy poster that's about the quarter size of the puzzle. The pieces are nice, interlocking, glossy, heavy-duty cardboard pieces with a back end. Definitely a fun puzzle, definitely something I would recommend. And we have 10 different puzzles in our puzzle line. So if you're not up for the challenge of this one, we have some other ones that are fruits and rainbows and beach scenes and things like that.